Hello dear students, today's video is on ISI M.MATH 2021 solution, and I will be solving from question number 2. Okay, now let's get started. In this question they have said that fx be a polynomial ring over a field f. That's good. Prove that the rings fx by x square and fx by x square minus 1 is isomorphic if and only if the characteristic of f is 2. Okay, so let's do it. So just do it in a reverse way. Let this rings be isomorphic in the beginning. Okay, are isomorphic. Now as a result of that, let alpha of f of x squared, this is giving you this. So this is the isomorphism representation. Okay, now so with respect to this, if we just proceed, b0, this will be b1x and this will be x square minus 1. Now this means isomorphism is an isomorphism. So necessarily b0 not equal to 0 or b1 not equal to 0. Any one of them is non-zero. And this way if we proceed, so it follows to a situation. Just make it a little bit thinner. Yeah. Square minus 1, so 0 of x square minus 1, so this is alpha of x. Okay, so alpha of x plus x square, this whole square. So this is b0 square, b0 b1 plus b0 b1 x, b1 x square minus 1. So this is b0 square, b1 square, b0 b1, b0 b1 x and x square minus 1. Now here b0 square and b1 square, if this thing is equal to 0, and b0 b1 and b0 b1, this is also equal to 0. So from this b0 minus b1 square is 0, so that is b0 equal to b1, and these two will give you 0. But if b0 equal to 0, then we can get b1 equal to 0, right? So alpha is not a isomorphism. So b0 not equal to 0, we find that f is of characteristic 2. Now if we go conversely to this, assume that f is of characteristic 2. So in this mapping then, f of mod x square minus 1 and a0 a1x x square equal to, this will give you this part. So the mapping is an isomorphism. So indeed we can say C0 C1x, so A0 plus C0, A1 plus C1 and plus x. So this thing, so obviously this will be represented by A0, A1x and this, and C0, C1x and C square. So obviously finally we can go to a0 a1 1 plus x square minus 1. This is done, and this is c0 plus c1 into 1 plus x and x square minus 1. So finally this will give you a0 a1 x square and c0 c1x and x square. So obviously as 1 plus x square minus 1 square equal to 1 plus x plus x square minus 1. So this is 1 plus x plus 1. So this is simply this, and this is the answer.